Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing, I guess a bit, even though I opened it already. I haven't used it yet, but I purchased the double mirror duo of the Chanel because I wanted a mirror so when I do my makeup and stuff like that, first of all, to put in my purse that's not something that has makeup inside it already, but just a double face mirror that I can put in my purse or my handbag. So I got this, and it is retails for $42. It's exclusively on Chanel.com, so you can't find this on any other websites. This sleek compact features a regular mirror on one side and a magnifying mirror on the other, perfect for touch-ups. Ultra slim and portable, the mirror duo is an elegant essential for every makeup bag. So came in this box with my I did a review on this, came with this, didn't come with this, I paid for this. And then they give you samples, and the samples came in this, which is kind of cool. This is cute. It's like it's not microfiber, but it's not cheap feeling either. And it says Chanel right there. And this came in this. And you open it, and of course, like all Chanel compacts, makeup compacts, it comes in this type of a velvet wrap, which is nice. You open it up, and it's quite thin, which is, I really like. And I open it. Oops. I open it, and yeah, it's a double-sided mirror. One is where it is magnified, and the other one is just a regular mirror, which I really like. Although I will say this is it feels like it'll break easily, to be honest. Like, so when I open it and close it, there's like a yeah, it's plastic, so it feels like it is something that, okay, handle this with care type of thing. It's I guess I wish it was a little bit thicker so that I didn't feel like it was such a delicate item. But I do love the fact that I can put it in this and put it and just throw it in my handbag. But yeah, this is just a quick show if you didn't know what this looked like, or if it's something you should purchase or not. It's a bit delicate for me, so hopefully I don't break it because it's on the thinner side. And it doesn't have anything for you to kind of open it with. So normally they have an indentation or something. This doesn't. You just open it. And yeah, but it's very Chanel-esque. It looks like one of their compacts. Just their compacts are a little bit thicker because of course it has makeup in it. And so it feels more substantial and less like you'll break it. So be mindful of this being a little bit more on the delicate side. But I do like it. So I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's something that you were looking at, that you wanted to purchase or not. And as my little one making noise throughout the entire video, I will see you guys next time, and have an amazing day. Bye guys. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's just a bit delicate for me. So it's a possibility I may just use it in my videos, or yeah, it just feels delicate, that's all. and I'm not all that great with delicate things. I tend to be hard on my stuff, so yeah.